Let's get you the breaking news coming in from Tamil Nadu right now. Explosion at a firecracker manufacturing unit has been reported. Over 5 people are dead in this explosion at the firecracker factory. 9 other people have sustained injuries in this explosion. Let me go across to my colleague Varshini, who's joining us with more details on this. Varshini, unfortunate incident there, but what exactly happened? What caused this explosion? What are the authorities saying?
Well, there are a lot of firecracker manufacturing units that is functioning in the state of Tamil Nadu, particularly in Virudhunagar district's Shivagasi area, which is very famous for the manufacturing of firecrackers. And there has been several incidents such as this that has been reported in the past few years where the death of so many workers has happened. And a similar explosion has taken place in one of these firecracker manufacturing units today, where 5 women and 3 male workers have lost their lives in a massive explosion where 7 rooms present inside this factory has completely exploded in this blast. And in fact, we are given to understand that these firecrackers are obviously manufactured with a lot of chemical explosives that are being used, and one of these explosives has suddenly exploded, leading into this massive blast that has killed 8 people. And we are also getting to understand that 3 people are also in critical condition right now, currently admitted to the Shivagasi Government College Hospital, where they are under treatment for their injuries. And also over 10 other workers who are working in this factory are also injured, and they've also sustained injuries for which they are undergoing treatment currently at the Shivagasi Government Hospital. Police officials say that this is one such accident where the explosive have gone wrong and the explosion has taken place. But in fact, recurring incidents like this keep happening, which is only, letting us question the kind of regulations that are put in forth for these manufacturing units to function in such areas where a lot of people are also involved, people's lives is also involved. Therefore, the already pre-existing regulations that are in place for these firecracker manufacturers are, again and again are being demanded from the locals to be scrutinized even more, so that such accidents and such loss of lives could be prevented in the future. And the Chief Minister N.K. Stalin has also now expressed his condolences over this accident and the loss of lives, and he stated that compensation would be given as soon as approval from the Election Commission is acquired.
All right, Varshini, thank you very much for joining us with those details from this explosion that has taken place at a fire manufacturing Tamil Nadu. Let's now shift our focus to Haryana, where political developments and